Hey, I'm Kunal. Welcome to the first module of this course, Foundations of Data Governance. By the end of this video, you'll know what data governance actually is, how it's different from data management. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is data governance? If you've ever Googled what is data governance, you probably got an answer like this. Data governance is the overall management of data availability, usability, integrity, and security. Sounds important, means almost nothing. Here's the version I wish someone had told me 7 years ago when I started out. Data governance is simple. It's the answer to one question. Can you trust the data you're about to use? That's it. Everything else, policies, glossaries, stewardship, lineage, quality rules, exists to answer that one question for one piece of data at one moment in time. I've spent the last 7 years doing this across banking, insurance, retail, telecom, and aerospace. And here's what nobody tells you when you start. Governance looks completely different in each industry. What matters to a bank is not what matters to a retailer. We'll get into that in a later module. For now, just hold on to this one idea. Governance is about trust in data. Everything else is implementation detail. Section 2, data governance versus data management. Now let's clear up a mix-up that trips up almost everyone starting out and honestly shows up in interviews all the time. Is data governance the same thing as data management? A lot of job postings use them interchangeably. That's a mistake. Here's the difference in one line. Data management is doing the work. Data governance is deciding how the work should be done. Think of it like a kitchen. Data management is the chef, actually cooking, storing ingredients, cleaning up. Data governance is the recipe book and the food safety rules, deciding how things should be stored, who's allowed to touch what, and what done actually means. You can have management without governance. It just means everyone cooks however they want, and quality is a gamble. You can't really have governance without management. Rules with nobody executing them are just documents nobody reads. If an interviewer asks you this, don't just define both terms. Give them the relationship between the two. That's what shows you actually understand it. So to recap this module, governance is about trust in data, management is about doing the work. See you there in next video.